Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have another clothing subscription to share and it's my mix and match. So I took it out of the cardboard box. I haven't opened it up, but look how pretty it comes wrapped. It is kind of unwrapping itself and yep, I see some cheetah peeking through, so I am so excited. So it comes nicely wrapped in the tissue paper with the pink bow, and then you get an envelope with all the information that you need. So my last mix and match box, I kept every single item from that box. I have really good luck with mix and match. So I will pop a card up above to that video. So if you haven't seen it, check it out because I got awesome pieces. I'm hoping that there's some awesome pieces in this box. I can't remember what I requested. I might have requested a jumpsuit, maybe. I think I also requested, oh, I know I did. So I've seen a couple of other YouTubers, Nancy from Nancy Rounds and Barbara from BC Sells. I love watching their channels and they both received this beautiful leopard top. I did request that. I asked my stylist if she still had that and if she did to send it to me. So let's hope I have that. Everything, did I say that? Everything you need to know is in this envelope. So let's go through it. I will leave a link below if you'd like to try mix and match for yourself. I really love it. You get a mailer, so with mix and match they use UPS, so you have to go to the UPS store to drop it off, but I think you can also arrange for a pickup at your house too if that's more convenient for you. You also get a note from your stylist, and it looks like she did include the leopard top, but she had to size down because it's the only size they had, but she said she still sent it in case I want to try it, and yep, I do, so let's hope it works for me. You also get your invoice with the prices and the description. So I will go over, it looks like I got quite a bit in this box. It looks like almost, wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 8 items, so that's really, really awesome. So with mix and match, you do get 25% off if you keep 5 or more. So I just have to pick 5 to get the discount. And I believe if you spend over $100, you can do like split up your payments into a payment plan, so you can do like 3 monthly payments if it's over, I think it's over 100, but everything you need to know is in, oh yeah, 100 or more. So everything you need to know is in here. So I'll go over the prices and the sizes and things like that and the material as I try things on. I think that's probably the best thing. And I will leave a list below too of all the clothing if you want to request something. So I really can't wait any longer to see what's in here. So let's dig in. I think what I was seeing before was that leopard top that Nancy and Barbara got that's peeking out. So let's find out. Okay. Yep, this is it. This is what was peeking out. So this is the, what was it? By Spotlight. And this is a really pretty leopard top. So it's, oh, I almost dropped my bundle. It's got pinks, and I think it was a wrap style. It is a wrap style, and it has a closure, a button closure here. So I can't wait to try this on. It looks a little small though, so I don't know if it's gonna fit me, but I appreciate that she still sent it to me. And then next, this is by Birch. It looks like it's just a yellow and white striped tank, and it is ribbed. You can probably tell, I think it's coming across the camera that it is ribbed. So yellow is hit or miss for me, but I am excited to try it. Okay, oh, here's some more leopard. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. I can already tell that I love this top. This is by Birch. Look at how adorable this top is. It's got leopard on the top, but it's got like the striped on the bottom and it's a tie front. That is just so cute. It's short sleeves. Oh, this, so soft too. All right, then this next top is by 143 Story, and it's almost, it is a camo print. This is kind of different. I think I like this. It's got a camo print background and the body of the shirt, but it's also got floral print in there, and the arms, it's a baseball tee, so it's almost a coral color. I think this is really different, so I did buy a baseball tee from them in my last box too. All right, this next top, I think I might have seen somebody get this top recently. I don't remember. This is by Birch. It's a tank. So the background of it is navy, and then it's got the crisscross detail on the front, and it's got really pretty, a coral floral pattern. So that's really nice. And this is very, very soft. And then the next thing I have, this is by well, I don't see, it's got a star on the tag, so I don't know who it's by, but I'll find out. But I love the color. Okay, I got cut off because I had to take a call, so I'm sorry, but this next top, it has, I don't know the brand, it has a star here on the tag, but it's this really pretty pink color, and it's I think it's a true wrap, and then it ties on the side, so it's a short sleeve shirt, so that's really pretty. The next thing, I did, I think, ask for some distressed jeans, and these are by Liverpool, so I don't own a lot of distressed jeans. They're distressed down here, and then I love the ankle, like the hemline. I think that's so cool. So I'm excited to try these on, and I do love Liverpool. Oh, and then lastly, this must be, oh, this is by GILLI. Oh, and this is a jumpsuit. So it's got a really fun pattern. So it is a wrap style jumpsuit. Looks like it's short sleeves, and it looks like it ties here. So this will be fun. It does look like it might be full length, so I don't think it'll be ankle. Well, I don't know. I can't tell. Let's try everything on. I'm so excited. I have some interesting pieces, so let's see how everything works out for me. Okay, I am super bummed because this top doesn't fit, but I'm still gonna show you. This is by Spotlight, and this is the leopard print sleeveless V-neck top. It's a large, and it is 100% rayon. It is $39. It is so super cute, but it just doesn't fit me. You'll see why. I love the leopard print. I love the bigger spots with this print, and I love the pink accent in the actual print itself. And it's almost like it's got a hint of like a brown too, which is really, really pretty. But as you'll see here, it like, I have to be careful because it just doesn't fit. So yeah, I have to send it back, but I'm just so bummed. If they had a size up then available in my size, then I would size up. So maybe they'll get one in stock. Let's fingers crossed, but I am gonna send this back. But if they have this in your size, you should totally request it. It's so cute. I'm gonna show you the back even though I'm not keeping it. I love it. I'm just so bummed that doesn't fit, but I have another cheetah top in this box that may fit me, so let's see if it does. I'll try that next probably just to see. All right, hang on one second. All right, this one is super cute. This is by Birch. This is the off-the-shoulder cheetah print striped top, size extra large, $32. It is 79% polyester and 21% rayon, I believe. Hang on, let me just make sure that it's not spandex, but I'm pretty sure it's 21% rayon. Yep, 21% rayon. So interesting number, like mixture of fabrics. But anyway, it's really super cute. I love, it's got the off the shoulder here. I do love the leopard print. I think it's so cute, but I also loved the mixed pattern look. I think it's actually a really nice look. It does have a tie detail on the side here. And I love the color combinations with like the softer tan striped on the bottom and then kind of the darker leopard on the top. I think this is so fun. This is a Kayla top. I'm gonna keep this top. Here's the back of the top. Yep, this one is going in my closet. I think this one is so cute, and the price isn't bad either. I love how soft it is too. This one is really, really soft. It's very comfortable, and I just love the cute, like off the shoulder, like one side of the shoulder look. So, all right, let's move on to the next top. All right, next top. This one is also by Birch. This is the yellow sleeveless tank with round neck and high-low hemline. 96% rayon and 4% spandex, extra large, and it is $29, so not a bad price. I do like yellow. It's hard for me to find the right shade of yellow. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, you can probably see in the camera here that it does have a ribbing detail, which I did mention when I unboxed it, and then it is like a yellow and white stripe, but it's very subtle. The neckline's okay for me. The length is great. I do love that it has a longer length to it. I kind of feel like it's a little bit clingy on me. I'm not sure. I don't know how much I'd pull for this. I like it, but I don't know. I'm just not convinced, like 100% convinced on this. Here's the back of the top. So it does give good coverage, but I just don't know. All right, let me know what you think. I'm gonna move on and I'm gonna put on the next top. Okay, so when I unboxed this, I was struggling to find the brand, but it has a star on the tag, right? So yep, duh Kayla, the brand is Star. This is the blush short sleeve tie waist knit top. It's poly rayon spandex blend. It is $32 and an extra large. I love the color of this top. I think the color is so pretty. I do love a good blush top, and it's so feminine looking, the color. I like the length of the sleeves. I don't care for, this is a wrap style top, but it's kind of a faux wrap because it does have a seaming detail that it meets right here. So if in case this came untied, nothing would be exposed, so that's good. And it gives you that true wrap, it gives you the wrap style look still. I just don't know if I'm crazy about the way that it looks with the way it crosses over. I don't know. I do like the tie, the way it ties on the side too. I think that's really cute. I think if it was just a plain, like if it didn't have this kind of wrap crossover and it had a tie on the side, I might consider keeping it. Here's the back. But yeah, I'm just not crazy, and it is kind of a little clingy too. I'm just not crazy about kind of this wrap part right here. So I think this one is going back. All right, I have a couple more items to try on, so let me do that. Okay, next top, and this one is also by Birch. This is the navy floral tank with crisscross detail. It's an extra large, $28, so not a bad price. I'm always forgetting something, so let me just take a quick peek at the tag so I can tell you the fabric. This is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So I love, let me back up. I do love the length of this tank. I think it's a great length. This is so soft and it's so comfortable. I do love the navy and I love the coral floral print. I think that's so pretty, and I think the combination of the two is really, really nice. The only two things that I'm not crazy about, which I can probably fix, I've been known to fix these in my tops, because I have enough of these crisscross tops, so I kind of want to cut these off, and I know there's a lot of crisscrosses in here, so if I kept this top, I may be brave and I may try to cut these off, obviously only if I keep it. So that's one of the things that I don't care for, because I kind of would rather just have a plain tank top like this. I personally prefer that look because then I can wear, you know, my statement necklaces. But I do like this tank a lot, and I may be willing to do that, especially for the price. But anyway, let me stop and let me show you the back. So as you can see in the back, you can see my bra straps. I do have those adjusters that kind, or the converters that kind of pull your bra straps together so you can wear a normal bra and it just pulls the straps in so you don't see them. So I would probably just use that for this top. Let me know what you think. I'm unsure. I'm on the fence about this one, so I'm curious to hear your thoughts. All right, I've got a couple more things to try on, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and this top is by 143 Story. This is the French Terry Olive and Coral Camo top in a size extra large poly rayon spandex blend. It is $37. So I think this is kind of a cute top. I'm kind of digging this top, and it is different for me. It's a little bit out of my comfort zone. I don't normally pull for baseball tees. I do have a couple that I've gotten in other style boxes. Actually, one of the ones I got last time in my mix and match box, and I do pull for that one. I do love the camo print, and I love it with the coral. So it's got the pretty floral coral pattern. Floral coral. I've said that twice in this video because that navy top had that too. And I really do like that. I think it's a cool combination. And I do love the color of the sleeves too. I don't know, it's a good length. It's very comfortable. It'll be a good top to kind of grab and go for doing errands and things like that. Here's the back of the top. This is a really good length too. It's got some good coverage. So I might keep this top. I think it's pretty cute. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna put on the Liverpool jeans and show you those. And then lastly, we will do the romper, so hang tight. Okay, so I think I'm really liking these jeans. These are by Liverpool. They are the Parker Ankle Skinny and Hyperion Wash, and they are $79. So I do like the waistline. They're more of a high-waisted jean, which I do like. And then they've got distressing here on the legs, on each of the leg. And they showed you in the unboxing, but the hemline on the ankle is really, really cute. It's kind of got a distressed ankle, so I really like that. I think they fit well. They're very comfortable. Here's the side. Here's the back. I do really like Liverpool jeans. I like the wash of them. I do like the distressing. I don't have many pairs of distressed jeans. I am only 5'2", and these jeans fit me at a perfect length. I wouldn't have to have them altered, which is nice because I probably wouldn't be able to anyway because of the ankle, but they're a perfect length for me, and I have trouble finding jeans that fit me in like my leg and waist area plus having the perfect length. So Liverpool always kind of are my go-to because they seem to fit me the best. I may decide to keep these. You let me know what you think. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get into that jumpsuit and we will see what we think. All right, so here is the jumpsuit. This is by GILLI. It's a black and white jumpsuit featuring a faux wrap, the neckline, half-inch sleeves, capri palazzo pants, and an abstract diamond print fabric. This is $55. I forgot to look at the fabric actually. So I was so hopeful for this jumpsuit, but I don't think this works for me. I kind of feel like it looks a little bit like pajamas, but I don't know. So I do like the neckline. I'll come closer and we'll kind of work our way back. So I do like the neckline. It is a wrap style top, which I'm okay with because it's just a wrap style on the top and it's tight enough where we wouldn't have any wardrobe malfunction. So that's a plus. I do kind of like the sleeve length. It does tie here at the side, but it's not one of those ties where you would, like it's not an elastic tie. It's more of just kind of there just for, what I want to say, like fashion. It does have pockets, which I really like. The length is okay, but I think since I am shorter, they just kind of hit me at a weird length. So they're more of an ankle pant for me instead of a capri. I don't know. I just don't think this jumpsuit is for me. The pattern's okay, but I was so hopeful because I'm really into jumpsuits and I really wanted a new one to add to my wardrobe. Here's the back of the jumpsuit. But I just don't think it's doing anything for me. So I do think this one is going back, but this would probably look really awesome on the right person. So yeah, I do think that it's pretty cute. It's just not for me. All right, let's do a quick recap and I'll be right back. Okay, let's do a quick recap. So I have a couple of definite no's. One of them, and I'm so sad that this has to be a no. This is a no because of fit. And if they had my size, I would size up and keep this top because it's beautiful. It's my style. It's totally a Kayla top, but it's gotta go back. So sad. And then this other pink top, this was a wrap style top with the tie on the side. This is going back. It just wasn't really my style. I couldn't get one of the parts of the front to lay correctly. So I don't know. This is a nice top, but this was just not for me. So this one's gonna go back too. And then unfortunately the jumpsuit, I think it's the pattern of the jumpsuit that's just not working for me. So I am going to send this one back. All right, I have a definite yes, and that's this cute mixed pattern top. I love this top. I think it's so cute. Sorry, but if you don't like it, you're not gonna convince me to send it back because I think this is so cute and I'm gonna put this in my closet. I'm on the fence about the camo with the floral baseball tee. I'm not sure. I like it. I just don't know if I love it. And then same thing with this white Birch tank top with the Criss-Cross. I think it's the Criss-Cross that I don't care for. I know I can probably cut it off. It is a lot to cut, but I don't know. I think this one might go back too. The yellow tank is cute. It's kind of basic, but I do like the color. This might stay with me. I think it's all gonna depend on what I keep. And I'm leaning towards keeping the jeans too. They fit me great. They were comfortable. I don't own a lot of jeans with distressing. And so I would like to add a pair to my wardrobe, and this might be it. And I have to show you too again. I love the hemline of these jeans. I think it's so pretty. Not pretty, I think it's so cool. I love the hemline. So yeah, I think these might be keepers. So I'm totally decided on these two, but I need some help with these three tops. Should I keep these three tops? Remember, if I keep 5, I get the discount, but I don't want to keep things just for the discount. So let me know, what do you think I should do? I need your help. So anyway, thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. This was a fun box, some new styles for me, and that's why I love these style boxes, because I get to try new things. And at home, what could be better? So I really appreciate it. I've got another video coming for you really soon, so stay tuned for that. Have a wonderful day.